Okay, so here we have the start. We already discussed all the positions. We can see how there's a group that started on the line, there's a group that started below the line, and there's a group that started on a second line. Yeah, these guys are being covered by Josh, Craig, and these two outs. We can also see the room between Josh and Craig, so Josh is the one winning the start. Well done, Josh. And you can see the opportunity that Finley missed over here by not making a double tag in the moment that he should have. Now what happens with the tactics? So clearly Finley is not able to hold his position, Patrick is not able to hold his position behind Craig, Joshua. So Finley decides to tag. Now, important thing, Finn, if you wait to tag, all the time that you're waiting, like now, you're sailing slow. So from this moment to the moment that you choose to tag, you sail slow. So in this situation, you must tag right now, in the moment of start. This is the moment to tag. Now you align with Josh. If you wait, you're gonna be below. You're sailing slow. Why are you sailing slow? Because Patrick is sailing slow because of Josh. And Patrick is trying to sail on a high mode, right? So he's forcing you to also sail on a high mode. So you need to anticipate the situation and tag as soon as you see a danger that you have ahead of you. Not wait until the danger already came and you already slow down. So tag faster away from the situation. Pam, pam, slow down. You see how slow your tag is? It's a slow tag because you're covered. Okay, so now we can see how. We can see different things. The first thing we can see is like Matthew. Again, what do we say? He's a loser. Why? You know the answer, right? Look at his side, boom. Sailing down, it was booming. And these two outs, oh my god. Okay, that's the first thing I see. I know I insist on this, but it's so annoying to see these guys. Okay, we see that Craig tagged. He was aligned with Joshua, and now because he was covered by MJ, he slowed down and he tagged, and he is 1 or 2 boat lengths before Joshua. So Joshua clearly now is winning the race. If we have to draw a line, we'll see this is the line. Joshua is clearly a few boat lengths in front of the fleet. Now my question to Joshua is, why do you choose to continue? Why do you choose to continue and going to the left when boat number 1, 2, and 3 are sailing to the right? Now, the key part for this will be looking at the upwind mark. If the upwind mark is here on the left, or if you see that there's a big gust coming on the left, then I would understand that you tag there. If the upwind mark is in the middle, then I would choose to tag right on top of Craig, because you're gonna be positioned in the middle of the fleet, which is always good, right? So whatever shift comes, you're always gonna be good position. If the buoy is all the way on the left and this is a longer tag, then there's absolutely no reason, not even if there's a gust here coming on the left, there's absolutely no reason for you to continue. So what you should have done is tag right there. This is what you should have done. Now why do I say so? Because the buoy, and you will notice this later, it's all the way on the left. So you should have tagged and sailed quickly on the longer tag. If you tag right now, you are maybe even better. You're covering Craig and you're pushing Craig all the way to the left. So you're gonna be the boat even more in the middle, because your opponent is gonna go even further to a left lane. So Craig, Josh, you should have tagged right now, and you will see later why is that you should have done that. That's one thing. On the other hand, we see Cayman, who very good, decided to tag fast. So this was a really smart decision from him, because if he would have continued, he would have sailed the same as Sienna and Katie on the dirty air, or the same as Jude on the dirty air of Josh. So very good for Cayman that he tagged quickly and he cleared quickly. He's in an uncomfortable position, but not as bad as Jude or as Sienna. Okay, this is a moment in which I want to point out something that I think it will change your life, especially for you, Pat, over here. You will notice, first of all, the distance in between you and Cayman and Craig, and the distance in between you and Patrick and Finley. Sorry, Patrick, the distance in between you and Finley, and the distance in between you and Craig. Right? Now, what happens later? Let's see. What is happening over here? What do you see? What you should see here is that you, Pat, are sailing on a high mode, while Finley is sailing on a low mode.